Well, welcome to my first blog post of 2021. It's kind of cold out here. I'm just going to do a few changes on the bike. Mostly I'm going to change the seat bolts over, and hopefully put on a new radiator cover. But before I do that, I just want to show you something. My pond, completely frozen over. This is my veggie patch, still covered in snow. So it's a bit of a cold day for working on the bike, but the sun's out. Look at the sun. Woohoo! So I'm going to do it anyway. There's not really a lot to this video, as you can imagine. All it involves is taking out these and putting in new ones with an Allen key, which I've left in my house. So first we'll get these, take the seat off for about the 8 millionth time. Because I'm using the 6-speed seat rails, I've only actually got to undo 4 bolts to get the seat off. Really is that easy. But the kit comes with these ones as well, so get them out. They don't actually do anything anymore. Voila. So I got my bolts, my replacement bolts from Custom Zoomer, dude in the Netherlands. Because I'm in the UK, importing stuff can be pretty expensive from anywhere, but he's really good, really fast, and I just like dealing with him. So that's where I got these from. Oops, and now I've dropped them all over the floor. They arrived super quick. And they're red to match the rest of the bike. Tasty! Right, so first of all I'm going to put in the two that I don't use anymore. I could actually do a better toolkit for this now. This is all the stuff I use for when I'm working on my bikes, like cycles, rather than scooters. Okay, so it's just a couple of degrees over freezing out here today. Got my Pickle Rick hat on, hope you can see it. Am I low enough? Pickle Rick. Okay, so now we do the seat again there. So I'm thinking of taking this red and black back off again, just going like straight back to matte black. Just I don't know, sometimes I mean I like it, but sometimes I think it's just a little bit too bright really. It's just too bright on my eyes. And it's kind of supposed to look like bloodied cowhide, but I don't know, I think it looks more like a ladybird, and I don't really want a ladybird. Kind of zombie death theme. Ladybird doesn't go with it really. One more to go. There's the cat. I don't know if the cat's coming visible on the video, but he's obviously wants me to feed him, because he ain't telling me ever really. He's not a friendly cat, are you, Nori? But he is when he wants food. When he wants food, he's very friendly. So I'm guessing he's hungry. I don't think it's that long since I fed him. So there you go. And they look really nice. I'm really pleased, as I always am, with such simple things. But next will be the radiator cover. I moved the bike. I filmed this yesterday, and then I realised that the camera hadn't recorded anything. So I've moved the bike today over here because it's chucking it down behind us. And I'm going to do the radiator cover. So I got my radiator cover again from Custom Zoomer. He gets them specially made for his website. I really like the Japanese Rising Sun. It's something that I've always wanted for the bike. It's always seemed to be hard to get until Max started making them. So that's what's going on. Take the old one off. It's just literally 4 screws. I've already taken 2 out because I did it yesterday, and no point doing it all over again. So just to show you what I'm doing. That's all there is to the old cover. 4 screws and it's off. Nice. It's not bad really. I quite like that. It's not a bad bit of thing. I got a box in my shed now of all the bits that I've taken off my bike. It's rapidly filling up. Mostly with screws and bolts because I've not done anything major to the bike. No stretching yet or lowering. I have got new forks to go on the front. I'm not got around to doing that. But this, I wanted to get on quick. Might look better with some better kind of screws in there. Some anodized screws or something, but I haven't got anything that'll fit. So there we go. That's it. The radiator cover. Yeah, I like that. And then with the seat bolts, Honda Zombie in my case. Zombie. So I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and also if you feel like it, let me know what you think about the saddle, whether I should replace it or not. So I still like it, but I don't know, it's just really bright, I think, and it looks like a ladybird, and I'm thinking ladybird, not so good. And there's the seat. Cool. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next video.